funny. Remember I told you I was making Cinnabons for my party that I was having yesterday night, and I never made the Cinnabons? Yeah, well, you lied? I'm just gonna ask you this simple question. What else did you lie about? Your mama? I'm out.